we'll see how this works. So I'm aiming in the center of the frame there, so the corner of the property basically. Okay, plug your ears. So this did fire with the 3D printed. Went about 125 yards. This is a 380 blank in it. So we'll try it with more powerful here later. So again, 380 blank, did fire, and Troll works with a new pusher, a new projectile. Did fire. I didn't quite see it. All right, so this did exactly what I expected it to do. It blew off the top. I didn't figure it'd blow out the aluminum gas check. I don't know if it achieved a good pressure, but it did get about 125 yards with the 380 blank. This little printed piece held up pretty good. And that was the printed insert. And shell's fine. No signs of bulging or anything.